Someone says, I have a newer roof and I'm wondering if applying now will help my roof last longer.
So in a perfect world, when a roof is new, it's fully saturated. That roof can fully contract and expand. Once the granules start to shed off and into the gutters, the ceramic coating that's on top of the shingles, the reason it starts to shed off into the gutters is because enough of the petrochemical oil has been lost, not all of it, but enough of it, that now that roof undergoes stress during contraction and expansion. The more oil that is lost, the more stress, the more granules that shed off. Excuse me. So in a perfect world, as soon as the granules start to shed off into the gutters, that's when you would want to start treating with Roof Maxx. That's a sign that a fair amount of oils has evaporated and been lost to UV.
And not necessarily a particular year mark that you might think someone should take a look at their roof.
So let's talk about Florida in your market, or a southern market, Georgia for that matter, Texas, Alabama. In that 6-7 year range, you'll start to see granules shedding off into the gutters. In a northern market, 8, 10, 12 years. It depends on the product, right? It depends on how well the ventilation in the attic is. If you don't have good ventilation in the attic, you're building up heat, and the heat in that attic can be 140 or 150 degrees as well. And that's literally baking the asphalt out quicker. The exposure of the home, there's a lot of different factors that play into that. But really, southern markets in that 7-year range, northern markets, let's say in that 10-year range. That's why you want to have somebody take a look at the roof, look in the gutters on the southern slope. And, unless you clean out the gutters on your home, then you're going to see that if the granules are starting to shed off, it's a time to start considering treatment.
Yeah.